Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kiki and you're watching Miss Kiki's Curls. So today I have a super exciting unboxing. This is an unboxing for the Prada 2005 re-edition nylon bag with shoulder strap. So this is like a bit of a convertible version of the Prada bag that has been pretty popular recently and that they kind of revamped or re-brought back. I think this was pretty popular like in the 90s and all of that. I am really excited about this bag. I have been wanting it for some time now and I just lucked out and was able to purchase it. So I obviously had to share with you guys. Plus I'm super excited because I have not filmed a video for my channel in a long time and I feel like this is a great one to start back up with YouTube. So I'm gonna actually start the video with a little bit of a story time about this bag. This is actually my third time purchasing this bag and it is the second time purchasing this color. So if you kind of want to know what happened with that, just stay tuned. And then if you don't want to hear all of that, I will include a timestamp either on the screen or down below for when the actual unboxing begins for your convenience. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So basically my story time begins with the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories. That is the first bag of this type that I initially saw and I initially loved. Like I totally fell in love with it. I'm a Louis Vuitton girl. I have quite a few Louis Vuitton bags. I love them. I love their quality. I love their service, all of that. So typically if I am gonna get a more expensive bag, I will get a Louis Vuitton. In fact, I think my more expensive bags that I have are all Louis Vuitton. Basically, I saw that bag online, fell in love with it. I was like, it's awesome. It's convertible. It comes with like the two pochettes, the strap, like you can kind of tailor it to how you want to wear it. You can mix it up, wear one bag, wear two bags, wear a big strap, wear a small strap, whatever. I just thought that that was the coolest bag ever. However, as most of you probably know, when you go to look for this bag, it is really hard to come by and it is a bit pricey. I think it originally started at like $1,500 and it's gone up to, I believe, around $1,800 now. So I kind of was disappointed and I was like, well, you know, it doesn't seem like that is really gonna work out, at least right now, until maybe it becomes a little more popular, they start making more units, I don't know. Then I actually came across the Prada bag, the Prada 2005 re-edition. I don't really remember, might have been on Instagram. I have no recollection of how I came across it, but I was like, oh, that's a really cute bag. Initially I was like, oh, it doesn't compare to the Louis Vuitton, but then as time went on and I started seeing it styled and I saw how like it's like the Prada 2000 re-edition, but it has the silver straps. You can wear it just like similar to that bag, or you can wear it more like a multi-pochette bag. I really like that. I really like the strap that comes on it. And as I started to look more and more at it, I realized that it's a nylon bag, so it should be fairly durable. Also, I don't have any Prada bags, so I was like, maybe, you know, it's worth giving it a try. What really sealed the deal for me is going on the website and actually seeing the price. This bag retails for a lot less than the Louis Vuitton bag. I believe initially it was around $1,000, and I think right now the price has increased to maybe about $1,200, which is a lot for a nylon bag. But if you kind of want that look and you do want a designer bag, I feel like it's the most similar to the Louis Vuitton bag, or similar to kind of that multi-pochette style that's out right now. I looked online, saw the price, and I was like, yeah, gotta get that. Whenever that's in stock, I gotta get it. So I've been checking and checking and checking, and it literally was never online. And obviously with quarantine and all of that, stores were closing, so it was just really difficult to get a hold of. 2 weeks ago or so, I went online and I happened to check on the Prada website just out of the blue randomly. Probably saw it on Instagram. I was like, let me check. It jogged my memory. So I checked online and it was available. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. I told myself if it came in stock, I was gonna get it. So that's what I did. I ordered it, I received it, and it was beautiful. I loved it. I tried it on. In fact, I opened the bag. and initially I fell in love with it, like hard eyes. Totally in love with it. I was super excited. It fit perfect. I am quite small, quite petite. I'm only 5 feet tall, and this is a smaller bag, just for reference. So for me, I felt like it was the perfect bag. Anyways, fell in love with the bag, thought it was gorgeous, put it away because I'm not using it just yet. I was gonna save it for whenever I go out, which is not that often, and went on with my life. I like to research a lot on items that I purchase, and I happened across this thread that was talking about this specific bag, and it was saying that some people did not have the full Prada like embossed logo on the strap. So I thought that's what I had on my bag. When I got it, I was so excited and so happy I didn't even pay attention to that. But needless to say, I went and looked back and my bag did not have Prada fully across the strap. It just had it on the front of the strap, kind of near the little pochette. I called Prada and I asked about this. I asked if that is still an option, like if they still sell that style or kind of what was going on. And I was informed by them that that is the older style. So I guess that was the initial re-edition 2005 that came out, and then they came out with a new version, and that's the only thing that they changed according to the agent I spoke to, was just the strap. It just says Prada the one time. If I'm gonna get a Prada bag, and it's my first Prada bag, and it's a Prada bag, I want it to say Prada, and I want it to say it multiple times on the strap. Plus that's the bag that I fell in love with, not with it written the one time. So she said that the best thing to do would be to return it to her, and then or return it to the Prada website and then order it from a store. Like you actually have to call a store and order it and have them send it to you. So that is what I did. I sent it back. I actually ordered it from the New York store on Broadway, and I ordered it maybe last Tuesday. So it took, today's Monday, it took almost a week to come in, just about. I ordered it in the color that I have here, and then I ordered it again in another color because I wanted to compare. So the one that I ordered in the other color, I'll just say the color, is black. I ordered from San Francisco, and that ended up getting here on Friday. So I received that bag on Friday. It was lovely, but it did have a slight scratch on it. So I still have that in my possession, but I had to reorder that bag, and that should be coming in soon. If you guys would like an unboxing, I can do that, but it's literally the exact same bag. Technically, I have ordered this the first time from the the first time online, second time from the New York store, third time from the San Francisco, and then actually a fourth time from San Francisco. Twice in black and twice in nude. That is my little story time. I did order this bag over the phone from the Broadway store, and I do think now that they've changed the strap, if you do want this specific strap, you do have to find out like what store it's located at, and either order it in store if you go to the store, or maybe call around instead of, you know, stopping and checking places first. It's probably easier to just call Prada customer service. They can tell you where it's at. Also does lead me to believe, since the new style is out, that this style may be discontinued. I was not told that, and I don't know that for sure. But that's also another reason why I wanted to get my hands on this bag in both colors, because I wanted the strap that said Prada, and I didn't want to wait and then not have the chance to get it, or have to buy it from somebody who's reselling it for way over price, because this bag is in stock right now. So is the box that it came in. Had my address there, and what I really like, it has this taping around. Well, basically it's fairly okay, it's not that discreet. On the actual like tag, it says where it came from, so it says it came from a Prada store. But what I like about the box is it's just a plain cardboard box, and then around it, it has this tape. I don't know if you guys can see it, let's see. That says P Stores on it. So I'd say most likely people aren't gonna see that and be like, oh, that's Prada, and like try and steal your stuff depending on where you live. Now, whenever I ordered this, I did ask if they can wrap it up nicely and include a gift box, because I don't think they typically do, because this is a gift. Technically, it's a gift to myself, but needless to say, they did that. So whenever I open the box, this is beautiful. It has the beautiful Prada bag, and just on top of that was the Prada paper. Whenever you take the bag out of the box, oh, and then there's more paper under it. So she wrapped it really beautiful. The lady that helped me, it was just super, super sweet and super nice. And like, I spoke to her, she went to check, she texted me, she showed me pictures. Like, we made sure before I ordered this. So I'm really thankful for her and all of her help, and just, you know, helping to get it right and make it a special experience for me. So this is what the bag looks like. It is the Prada on both sides. White bag, it does have the white ribbon there. And then inside is the box, and I think this is for returns. Let's see, so this is just a blue Prada envelope. Oh, like, where's the paper? Yeah, so this is a return label, which is really nice. That way, you know, if I don't want to keep this item, I don't have to. And I have a free return label. So I'm just gonna take off the ribbon here. This is the box, all beautifully gift wrapped. I literally don't even want to open it. And then inside is the little Prada card. This has my, is it my receipt in here? Yeah, this has my receipt here. So basically this bag is the Bandoliera in Tessuto and Pelle Tessuto and Saffiano Camo 2. That's what it says. And then I will link the bag down below. So we're gonna take off the blue ribbon, which also says Prada. We have our lovely Prada box, which is really nice quality. And then this is what it looks like inside. So wrapped in some additional paper. This is the little dust bag that it comes with. Looks like that. And then this is the beautiful bag. So it does have the little tag on the front that says Prada Re-Edition. It is in the cameo color with the silver. So then when we open it, it has the little pochette, and the strap that says Prada around it is perfect. So this is what the bag looks like. I'll go ahead and do like some other shots so you guys can see more up close. That's the pochette, and then the strap with Prada around it. Oh my gosh, I love her. I love her. So I'll do some full length shots and like some close ups for you guys. Oh, and then before we go, inside there is the little card. It just says Tessuto and Saffiano Cameo, so just the bag information. The certificate of authenticity. So it says the bag name and then where it was purchased from and the date. And then this just has like security technology, I guess, basically saying that the bag is real. It has the RFID. I don't know too much about that, but there's that. So yeah, that is everything that came in here. So we have the bag, we have the strap, we have the pochette, we have the silver strap, which you can wear just on your arm like that. And like I said, I'll include more shots as well. And then we do also have the larger dust bag and the smaller dust bag. Basically, this is the beautiful bag. I mean, this color is gorgeous. I am so happy to use it. And I'm so happy and blessed that I was able to get it. And yeah, I'm just really thankful. So that is the end of my unboxing for my Prada bag. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you do have this bag, let me know what you think about it, and let me know what your favorite color in this bag is. And if you have any other questions or anything, leave them down below. Any advice, leave it down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.